In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the perfect leg workout routine that you can do at home as a skinny guy with just a set of dumbbells to build bigger legs. More on that after the intro. Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm gonna be running you through the perfect leg workout routine if you wanna build bigger legs as a skinny guy at home. And we're gonna go through various ranges of exercises, sets, and reps. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up as fast as possible. And if you've been following me for a while now, make sure after this video to click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout and start your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So I'm not gonna go through too much of this workout, so let's just get straight into it.